Today I will show you how to use this yarn winder. It's the basic non-motorized version. We take the cone and we wind it clockwise in place. This knob here is used to tighten to your table so it doesn't move around. This yarn feeder, you push it outwards to straighten it. Now take a look at the coil on the feeder. If it looks like this, it's been coiled too tightly. So you see that even a sewing thread can't floss through. But you can still use it. The loop is quite big. You just thread the yarn through. However, if it gets tangled, the yarn will be stuck in the loop. So you either have to cut the yarn or you have to pull out the entire length through this loop. Clamp the yarn feeder into the vise and use a clamp to pull the bar open. Then you stick the tip of a flat screwdriver inside. I just use force and kind of pry it open. So you may have to reposition the bar so that it points downwards. And if our yarn gets stuck, we can remove it by going under the bar stem and wind it out. So here is how to feed it into the cone.
And put it inside the slit.
You have to pull on the yarn to keep this part taut and then start cranking. It works with many types of yarn as long as the yarn ball doesn't get too big for the base. It's okay. If it gets too big, then it will start winding off the cone, like it will wind downwards. So I hope you find this useful. Subscribe to Salty DIY, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.